All right, happy Monday. We have a very, very easy unit today. Good old Fern ass. Brand new coil already in there. Everything should line up because we're doing a mana crap. So, gotta love these jobs on a Monday and a Friday. But yeah, no, it shouldn't be too bad. Using pliers to turn the gas off.
It's ancient.
It's definitely safe when you can't turn it with your bare hands if there's a gas leak.
Yeah, it's already bent from people turning it.
Yeah, but yeah, no, this should be a pretty easy change out, especially with two guys on it. But yeah, nice easy Monday. So we'll get started. All right, so got that out. It was a little struggle because on the return there they had a slip screwed from every freaking angle, so we had to beat the crap out of that. So it's a little shorter. Got to put it on vibration pads, get it off the ground. The other one was right on the ground, but pretty much the pipes line back up. I still have to cut the unit and then actually put it in place, and then they'll actually line up properly. But yeah, this is pretty easy. It's like 9:30, if that, and we already got this pretty much good to go. So can't beat that again on a nice and easy Monday. Okay, well, we're pretty much done. Whole unit's installed. You replaced the gas with that because it was sticking out pretty far for the guy. Gas valve's up there. Pipes are done, pretty much lined right back up with everything. The other guy did the metal and did the tape. He just didn't use the squeegee yet. We got to squeegee that out. Return slapped right back on. 4-inch media filter. Drain just goes right back into the floor. He said he had never had any issues in 19 years of anything flooding, so just stuck with that. Stick with what works. But yeah, so we just got to replace the thermostat and then start it up and test out the heat and make sure everything works. Okay, we are all done. Check the pressures. Pressures are looking good. Drain's looking good. Everything is working like it should. I just gotta, of course, have the guy come back in and fucking do the tape. He never did that. But other than that, thermostat's done. Everything's done. Like I said, it's running good. Pressures are good. It's heating up like a motherfucker in there. So, I just gotta use the non-adhesive tape on the stainless there for the gas because code, they want that crap on there. So, gotta run out and grab that. But other than that, yeah, it's done. It's running. It's working properly. It's like 11:45, 12 o'clock. So another early day. I'll have to find something at the shop to do so I can make a little bit of that money. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.